All right, here's the deal. This is a 3x2 cast iron Y. That's 2-inch DWV copper. That's 1.5 PVC. Used for drainage waste vent. There's a kitchen sink here, and there's we'll call it a bar sink, or technically it's a washing station in that far corner. Ceiling's been opened. Thought originally we were going to see something here. We didn't see anything. The rock wall was hiding the 2-inch DWV copper line, waste line. So we opened up this, and then I opened up here, and then we did here. And finally I said, you know what, let's just go to town and saw this, but there's the leak. Let me show you a little clip. All right, she's cut out. How this kitchen sink is draining is beyond me. Wow. Take a look at the 2-inch copper, it's fine. Minimal buildup, but the cast iron, years and years of decay and grease and grime and buildup onto that cast. There's nothing left of that. Look at that. Look at that. Insane. Also take a look at this PVC as well. Look at that. How anything drains, I have no idea. Got me. Wow, but we're gonna do a little cleanup here and put this back together. All right, let me show you what I got done so far. This is just sitting in there as a placeholder. Okay, I got a 2-inch mission coupling there. That's 2-inch copper, 2-inch PVC. Here, I didn't touch the 1.5 inch. I just kept the bushing right there. I put a 2-inch 45, and I got a service weight, no hub coupling right there, 3-inch. That's gonna go to the 3x2 Y. We're on a flat. You can't put a T-Y on a flat, so we got a Y on the flat, right? And there's a 3x2-inch bushing. Still got the cocky in there. Still got the cocky in there too. So now the goal is I'm gonna slip this in here, get that in there with the piece here, and have a nice day. All right, so before I put the piece in, I'm gonna bend back the rubber of the no hub coupling. Come on, baby, get in there. One-handedly trying to do this, see? Sometimes it doesn't work. See, look at that. Bending back the rubber, so now it becomes kind of like, it gives me like a slip coupling. All right. I feel like I've been through a war. Let me show you what we got done. All right, 3x2 TY. My bushing looks like it's almost out, but it's in and secure. Knock on wood. Even though us Orthodox Jews, we don't knock on wood. We're gonna see, hopefully, pray. This is good. I don't want to touch this. Here's my 2-inch mission coupling. Service weight, no hub. Let's go see what's up. Okay, the water is flowing. The water is flowing. Baruch Hashem, no leaks. Looks kind of snotty, but it's purple primer. We got to use it here in New York. Expect to want to prove that we put our primer in. So, we're good. You guessed it. She's a leaker. I wasn't in deep enough. So, I got some Weibos. You know Weibos? Balls. Steel balls. Because I'm the mother effing man. So I cut it. And I'm going to cut it back a little bit more. I'm going to put a no hub coupling in there. I'm going to really send this in. We're going to send it. Stay tuned. All right. You may have thought I painted myself into a corner. Not me. No, I made it happen. And we thank God for 1.5 inch no hub couplings. There's one there and one there. Golden. Now we run the water. Again. All right. I my fingers crossed, looking for a miracle. Hopefully we're good. Hopefully. There's a lot of buildup in that 3-inch. So I'm just gonna let it run for a hot minute, but I think we're good.